It's safe to state that there are a lot of information sources available. Nowadays, everything is just freely offered to you through a variety of media outlets that provide a wealth of knowledge. You see, I'm truly one of them. The goal of this channel is to make money for you guys as quickly and easily as possible. If you've been a regular viewer of my channel, you know without a doubt that everything I say is accurate, legitimate, and practical, and that is always will be. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. Anyway, I'm going to keep working toward my goal, so with that in mind, allow me to share with you yet another cutting-edge technique that you can freely use to develop a reliable and potent source of income. There are many money-making channels available, and each has their own specialties, methods, and styles. However, I want to let you know that this is all brand new and just out of the oven, so you are in for a treat. I'm going to be introducing to you today a really large website. Sincerely, this is so incredible that when I first learned about it, my mouth literally dropped to the floor. What makes this approach so excellent, and how do I even begin? The main benefit is that it is totally free. You can be successful in adopting this strategy without investing a single dime at all. Thus, not a penny will ever leave the fabric of your pocket. With the power of just one click, you can finally attain financial freedom and turn your life upside down, or, to be more accurate, downside up. That's just astounding right now. Oh, and this method is also excellent, available, and practical because it can be used to the utmost extent from anywhere in the world. Additionally, you can utilize any gadget in your arsenal with this strategy, so there's no need to worry if you're a beginner. This method is also ideal for anyone who has never before tried to make money online. Just be sure to stick with me through the entire video so you can learn everything there is to know about this technique. Never skip forward, since doing so could cause you to lose out on some very important information that is necessary if you want to succeed at making money online. Let's jump right into the video with the first website I'm going to show you, since I don't want to waste time talking about it. The main website you'll use to generate a ton of income will be this one. But hold on, how much money will you make? It all depends on how you manage it. But to give you a general idea, you may expect to make roughly $800 every single day and claim it through PayPal. Therefore, before pursuing this strategy, make sure your PayPal account is set up and prepared, because that's where you'll make your withdrawals. Are you prepared now? Without further ado, let's head over to CreativeLive.com, which is the main website for today's video. You can see that Creative Live is a platform where you may pursue your passions in this instance. What do they intend by this then? As you can see, Creative Live enables you to acquire the knowledge and skills necessary to pursue your aspirations in terms of job, pastime, and life in general. You can see that this platform is the preferred community for more than 10 million creators worldwide as you scroll down. Additionally, this has provided students with a reliable way to acquire the necessary knowledge and abilities to move forward. First, whether you need to change career or get a quick tip for your job, you can learn actual talents. You'll receive the necessary tools with Creative Live to succeed. Second, learn from the finest by listening to what the world's greatest creators, legendary business people, and best-in-class doers have to say. Last but not least, this is a platform built by creators for artists. They are home to accomplished photographers, painters, designers, business people, authors, and doers. They hold that each of us possesses a creator. If you want to fully understand what they're about, feel free to scroll down and explore the website more. But if you're feeling lazy and don't want to read the entire thing, I've got you covered. Here's a quick summary. Anyone looking to expand their knowledge in a particular subject or learn a new skill set can enroll in one of the many classes that Creative Live has to offer. Do you really mean that you have to pay for classes though? That's accurate. There is a cost associated with taking the classes, but the catch is that you won't be enrolling in any of them. So, exactly how do you intend to handle this? You must be wondering what you're going to do with Creative Live if you're not here to take the classes. You can notice this right here that says Become an Affiliate, just beneath the title for Join Us if you go all the way down to the bottom of the page. Whenever you click on that, you will be taken to this page where you may find all the information you require in relation to how you plan to use this website. So, based on the name of the page you are being redirected to, you probably guessed what it was. Participating in their affiliate program is the only way to do it. By directing your audience to quality content, you may earn money through Creative Live's affiliate program. Our affiliate partners serve an audience yearning for creative instruction and the potential to create a living from their trade. Ideal sites focus on online education, photography, crafting music, business, and training resources. The website says right here. You can see this fantastic figure right here on this page. There is no way that you could have missed this one because it is in such a large font. 30% is all. For sales to new customers, you will receive an incredible 30% revenue share. Now, that's actually rather significant given that other affiliate programs from the other websites only provide 10 to 20% in commission income, whereas Creative Live will pay you 30%. That is undoubtedly a really good deal. In addition to the significant income share that you will receive, you are also eligible for various benefits that will benefit you greatly as you work to build this website. The sales you produce can be monitored and seen in real time. You even have the opportunity to earn additional commission on any purchases made by referred consumers within 30 days of the initial click thanks to their sophisticated reporting tools that provide high-end feature for better monitoring and actively looking at your own progress. There is no denying the affiliate program's genius in light of all these amazing features. So let me walk you through how to use it. You can easily access the many classes that you may freely promote and get paid for by going to the classes page in Creative Live. Just select one of these courses from this list because they are all very beneficial for anyone looking to pick up a new skill. Once you've decided on a class, all you need to do is click on it to obtain your specific affiliate link. For instance, we'll advertise for this class on time management. To get a better sense of how you're going to invite people to the class, you can learn additional details about it. Once you're comfortable with everything, you can then start promoting the class to everyone in the world and trans off to make money. I urge you to step up and extend an invitation to everyone you know. But if you believe that your social circle is insufficient to earn you large sums of money, I've got a secret for you. You may really search for possible individuals who could be interested in the programs you've chosen on Facebook by using your preferred social media platforms, such as Twitter and Facebook. We'll enter productivity classes since we selected a course on time management and workflow. Simply conduct a search for how to better manage time on Twitter and then simply reply to each and every tweet with your affiliate link. You can also use Quora.com, the most well-known public online forum in the entire globe. Enter the same query from Twitter, how to manage time better, into their search field to begin your search. Then you'll be taken to this page where you can see hundreds of questions posed by individuals all over the world. Now, your one and only responsibility is to simply respond to any of these questions, offer a wise and original piece of advice, and then add your affiliate link to the end of your comment. The next thing you know, you are sitting with a large sum of money in your bank account. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming video and I'll see you there.